Hello and welcome to Slow Foxtrot lesson. We'll look at routine, feather step, bounce Fallaway with weave ending, curve 3-step, step back and curve feather and outside spin. Man starts feather step with right foot forward, forward, forward outside partner, bounce Fallaway with weave ending, forward to side, back in Fallaway, to side, back in CBMP, back to side and forward outside partner. Curve 3-step, forward, 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 step back, and then curve feather to side and forward outside partner, outside spin, pivot, forward outside partner, to side and turn. Lady starts feather step with left foot back, back, back in CBMP, bounce Fallaway with weave ending, back to side, back in Fallaway to side, forward outside partner, forward to side and back in CBMP. Curve 3-step, back, back and back, step forward, curve feather to side and back in CBMP, outside spin, forward outside partner, close on toes and forward and pivot. With the count, slow, quick, quick, slow and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And from opposite direction, and slow, quick, quick, slow and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at tips for shape and sway in bounce Fallaway with weave ending, curved 3-step and step back and curve feather. These tips are optional. Man dances feather step with neutral sway. In bounce Fallaway he sways to right, leading lady to shape, then neutral sway and slight sway to left, and in weave ending neutral sway. In 3-step, first step is neutral, but second and third with very strong sway to left, step back, still sway to left, and now change sway to right and outside spin in neutral sway. Lady starts with feather step with neutral sway. Now in bounce Fallaway lady shapes very strongly to left, then sway to right, and in weave ending again slightly to left. Now in curve 3-step, second, third step, sway to right, and in curve ending sway slightly to left, outside spin, it's neutral sway. I would like to thank all participants and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I ask you also to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and learn more from me, Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.